You've already decided to trade a stock. Now the question is, which strategy fits your risk and payoff expectations? OptionSense lets you compare option strategies side by side. Here's how it works. Search for a stock in options chain, say Amazon. Let's build a few strategies. My first strategy is a long call. I select the 255 call expiring on January 23rd. For the second strategy, I build a bull call spread. I select the 235 call and the 260 call with the same expiration, then switch the 260 call to sell. For the third strategy, I build a bull put spread. I select the 230 put and the 215 put, then switch the 215 put to sell. Once the contracts are selected, click Compare Strategies. A pop-up appears where you can group the option legs into separate strategies. These strategies are considered for comparison. In the comparison view, you see the payoff diagrams for all three strategies. You can adjust the stock price, implied volatility, or days to expiration and instantly see how each strategy reacts. View the risk, reward, and Greeks of strategies side by side so you can choose the one that fits your risk and return. Compare option strategies in OptionSense. Try it free.